Good evening, everyone. I had to look at the time because it's still light out. I'm still thrown off. I'm coming today not to talk about hair or anything like that. As you can see, I still have my kinky twists in. Anyway, we won't talk about that. My dog got out the other day. Plastered the general area with flyers. I know people thought I was crazy. I have a silver toy poodle. I'll insert a picture. And anyway, why was some fool like walking down the street with my dog like it was his, with a pink leash on? I'm like, it's a boy. Anyway, my spouse jumps out of the car, sees him walk down the street, jumps out like 5-0, like, Poco! That's my dog! Dude, that's my dog. So yeah, we got him back within 24 hours. I'm so happy. Anyway, that's all I wanted to talk about. Hallelujah for finding my dog.